Ito na naman ako, nag-feeling vlogger. But anyway, boring lang ako kaya. Pagpasensya niyo na. So, yeah, welcome to my channel. So, sa mga nakapanood ng video ko last time, nag-share ako ng mga documents or ano yung gagawin nyo during the NVC. But for today, I will be sharing the stage 3 if you are applying for the CR1 or spousal visa. For the stage 3, ito na yung makaka-receive ka na ng interview appointment. Okay, so yung timeline namin way back before, naka-receive kami ng letter from the NVC na na-DQ kami was December 18. 10 days after namin mag-submit ng documents sa NVC or mag-pay ng fees and submit documents. So naka-receive kami ng email na DQ kami on this last December 18, 2024. Pero hindi pa dito nagtatapos. Mag-wait ka pa ulit ng email na you have an interview date already. So, ito na yung sign mo na nakalagpas ka na ng stage 1 and stage 2. Yung interview date. So, for the interview date, yung timeline namin, December 18 kami na DQ and we waited for 3 months bago kami naka-receive ng interview. So, we received an interview March 4 of 2025. Saying interview ko is April 8 of 2025. So, once we receive this document or this email, ang ginawa ko is nagpa-appointment ako agad ng medical. So, for the medical, hindi ako nagkakamali, nagbayad ako or kami ng asawa ko 28,650 for medical. So, naka-receive ako March 4, nagpa-medical ako March 26. I think that is Thursday. And nakala ko 1 day lang. 1 day, lahat ng laboratories or lahat ng physical examination, laboratory eye vision, blood sugar, hindi ko na maalala, ang tagal na, but yung normal na medical if you're going abroad or OFW ka. And then bumalik ako ng day 2, March 27 for vaccination. So yung vaccination ko 4, 2 dito, 2 dito. I don't remember kung ano yung vaccination yon, but nasa email naman yung nakalagay. Ini-email naman ng St. Luke's yon sa personal email nyo. Kung ano yung mga vaccination na tinurok sa inyo. And after that, we scheduled a biometrics. So, yung biometrics ko, I think, ginawa ko siya March. Diba yung interview, yung medical is March 26 and 27. That's Thursday, Friday. Pagka Monday nun, nagpa-biometric ako. Nagpa-schedule din yun. So, I will leave the website sa description box. Yung mga, kung saan ka mag-schedule ng medical and the biometrics. Kasi hindi yan included sa email. Kung saan kayo mag-biometrics and medical. Okay? So, include ko siya sa description. So, again, you have to schedule the medical and the biometrics 2 weeks bago yung interview niyo. Para walang problema. So, after that, I think yung biometric ang bilis lang talaga if you have an appointment date. Parang hindi ka tatagal ng 1 hour. It's less than 30 minutes nga lang if makapasok ka na sa loob. They are very organized. Talaga, very organized sila. And, yeah. And then, isusuot na, parang wala naman silang bawal. Pero of course, yung iti-take na photo na yun yung ilalagay sa visa niyo. So, make sure you are comfortable. Look good looking, charot. So, yun. And after that, I just waited for 2 weeks for my interview, and yung interview ko super good. I will be sharing to you guys next time yung mga requirements naman during the interview stage. And ano yung mga question na inasa akin during my interview. Okay? So, yun lang. Yun na naman so far for the stage 3 of the CR1 or spousal visa requirements. Bye! Thank you for watching.